Hello guys, it is Brittany here and welcome back to my Colorguard YouTube channel. Today I have another new tutorial for you, so if you saw the title of today's video and you're interested in learning this skill, here's how we do it. Alright, so for today's tutorial we're going to be working on how to do a toaster toss but on our rifle. If you've seen my flag tutorial, you should kind of know roughly how we're going to approach this in regards to our body and our release point. Obviously because our rifle is a little smaller, the weight's going to be a little different, but you kind of at least have an idea of what we're going for. If you've never tried a toaster toss, whether it be on rifle or flag, I'll walk you through how to do that. Just if you haven't ever tried a basic toss like a single or a single and a half double on rifle, I'd make sure you have those skills down first, especially a double rotation, because this toss is going to be about that same height. So if you're not catching something a little on the higher side like a double, I would just make sure you have that skill first before you try this one. Okay, if you feel good with your doubles, let's go ahead and talk about how to do our toaster toss. Alright, so for our toaster toss, we're going to want to think about, at least for me, this is how I like to start it. Having my rifle at an up 45, my right hand is going to be on the neck, my left hand is going to be palm up on the nose of my rifle, so that way I have an angle to kind of build my momentum from. I'm going to want to think my right hand is going to pull down, my left hand is going to control my height. So my right hand is going to give me the speed by pulling my rifle down, and my left hand is going to give it the height by controlling it and pulling it up. And we release it, our butt will be up to the sky. The only thing that's gonna be a little different than just tossing it in front of us is we will be kind of tossing like up and above our shoulder. So how that's going to work is from here, I'm gonna hold my rifle, I'm gonna pull down, and as I'm pulling down, I'm going to step myself into a lunge towards my right side. Okay, so I kind of get that picture. So I wanna think pull and lunge. As I'm doing that, my rifle is going to go butt up right above me, and I want to think so that way I don't accidentally throw it far behind me. I want the butt to go right above my shoulder and not release at like an angle behind me, so that's just going to send my rifle flying away. Same thing if I toss at an angle in front of me, my rifle is just going to fly 10 feet in front of me instead of go above me, which is what I want. So when I put that together, I want to think from here, I want to pull it down, lift up, and this is going to be my release point right above my shoulder. And as it's going to rotate, it's going to rotate behind me, and I'm going to turn around and I'm going to catch it, at least this version, I'm going to catch tip up with my right hand on the neck right here. So that way I did that kind of single and a half rotation is about the height that it'll be, at least for the version that I'm doing. So again, we want to think from here, set, pull down and lunge. I'm going to release, and then I'll catch with my rifle tip up, and I'm going to be facing the back. Okay, here's how we can do all of those skills together. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Remember, as always, if you have any questions at all, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below in this video. And if you have any requests for future videos or things you'd like me to cover, you can also leave a comment as well. Hope you guys are having a great day and happy spinning.